birthday to you.
What?
Happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You smell like a monkey and you look like one too. Do you smell like a monkey?
No.
You look like one right now. You're like, ah, 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 ah. There's your breakfast.
Okay.
Patty, that is not yours. No, thank you. What are you going to do for your birthday? This is your birthday interview. What are you going to do?
Monkey. I'm gonna go to...
You're gonna go to the zoo?
No.
Oh, okay.
Monkey. I'm gonna go to, I forgot what it was called, but it's a trampoline park.
You think you are? That's not in the... There's a trampoline right out there. There's our trampoline park, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this, look at this. We have our very own trampoline park. Look at that. Oh, beautiful trampoline right out there. Look at that trampoline park. Isn't it gorgeous?
No.
Just for you on your birthday.
There's like 15 springs missing.
There is not.
Yes, there is.
There's a few.
Well, then save your money and you can buy yourself a new trampoline. Nonetheless, we will make this day very special for you. Your 9th birthday has to be special, you know?
But I don't even see my present.
Maybe you don't have any.
You got some yesterday.
So yesterday, you had a great party, had lots of presents, cake, food, fun. So today's just gonna be our day, right? Our family day. And I don't know if you're gonna get presents or not. I don't see any as of right now. Think you're gonna get any?
Yeah.
Maybe, we'll see. And there is a tornado in this house. Beckett, the tornado in the house. What are you gonna do? I made it! Is there a tornado?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
It's here.
Where are we gonna go? We have to escape the tornado.
It's good to me a key.
Oh, we need a key
Yeah.
to turn off the tornado?
Yeah.
Oh, like Piggy?
Yeah. Yeah, I need to run.
You're gonna run? Well, turn the tornado on first and then run. Oh no! There's a tornado in the house! Run, Beckett, run!
All personnel report to the nearest tornado shelter.
Hold you! Okay! Come on, we gotta take cover! There's a tornado! Is it gone? Is it gone?
I think
Okay.
it is.
Okay, we're safe now. Okay.
In the bank. I go wash in the bank.
All right, I better go to the store so I can get this girl some birthday presents. Jeez, who wants a birthday present on their birthday?
You didn't get me any yet?
You'll never know, will you? How's your waffle, by the way? You want some frosting on there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Here, I got something to make you extra special. Just 1 minute. Got one thing. Make it super extra special. When you live in Michigan, you have to take your vitamin D. Extra special just for your breakfast. What do you say? What do you say?
So.
Your hand stuck?
Yeah.
Oh no! What are we gonna do? Your hand's stuck! First there's a tornado, and now your hand's stuck in a jar.
Yeah.
How are you gonna get it out? There! Whew. Whew.
You want a gummy biscuit?
All right, guys, Brinley does not know this. I did get her some gifts, but one of them is so big that we had to hide it in the neighbor's garage. And I would like to wrap it, I think, so, or at least put it in some sort of a bag. So that's why I'm going out. I have to get something to put it in. So she's gonna be super excited. She's gonna love it. At least I hope so. I gotta go get that done really quick so that she doesn't get sus on what's going on. So I think I found some, but I don't know. Is it gonna be big enough, I guess? It says it's 36 by 44 inches. All right, these should work. As you can see, had some luck at the store. Got a nice little balloon. Got the party bag and some poppers. Now we just have to go to the grocery store. Do you like your balloon? I'm gonna go wrap your presents if you got any. Yeah. Eating more sugar. Brinley.
Yes, Mama.
Eating sugar.
No, Mama.
Telling lies.
No, Mama.
Open your mouth.
Ah.
All right, I am gonna go wrap some presents for this 9-year-old girl who thinks she's 13. Nope. You can't see what the presents are. I'm wrapping them. It's a surprise. All right, guys, we have got the presents ready. What do you suppose they could be? I don't know. Let's call Brinley down and find out. Hey, Brinley! Come here. I have something to show you. You have something in your living room with your name on it. Don't act too excited.
I'm not asking excited. Patty? That is big. Whoa! Maybe that's a TV. Maybe that's a TV. It's not TV.
No, it's too small.
It's too wide.
Before we start, I have some rules.
Present,
Yeah, not yet. You have to start from the smallest to the biggest.
Oh.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
To open the presents.
Yeah. This is the last one.
Yep, that's
Beckett, not yet.
Beckett, not for you. Not for you. Those are for Brinley. It's Brinley's birthday.
What is it?
It's a necklace. It's a necklace that has the letter B on it.
Let me see. Show that, everybody. Oh, isn't it pretty?
Pretty.
It's your favorite color.
Yes, it is very pretty.
Stop molesting my Elmo. Don't kill Elmo. Don't kill Elmo.
No, Elmo.
It's a monkey in a box.
Box. I love box. Ooh, I got a Galaxy phone case and a unicorn top socket. I'm gonna open it.
Oh, somebody's tired and somebody wants to help open presents, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, you have to be patient.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Let's see.
shiny and new.
Let me
Let's
see.
see it up close. Is it sparkly?
I need a new phone case.
Well, then maybe we're gonna get you a new phone case. I think this is clothes. Yes, a box. What?
Colton's excited about the box.
More clothes.
A diaper.
No, Beckett, that's too. That's
not
that's
diaper.
That's
Yes, shorts. Diaper.
no, that's Brinley's.
Colton.
Diaper. This is kind of big and it looks like a diaper.
I bet you when you put it on, it's really cute and it doesn't look like a diaper.
Hey, these are mine. This
Wow, that's pretty.
This is matching with the shorts that you gave me.
Yeah, you can wear it together. All right, you can all help a little bit because it's big and heavy.
Beckett, you can help open.
What could it be? What could it be?
It's a box. It's a box.
A box? A box that's never been opened.
It's something.
It's a goose.
We got money.
A goose. It's a goose.
Wait, it says do not lay flat. How do you open this
What could it
thing?
be?
What could it be? Mom, how do you open this?
Magic. Muscles and
wait,
magic.
what the? There's a row.
Maybe some scissors.
Wait.
Mighty, mighty woman. Watch this. It just takes a couple brains like this. Leave it to Mama.
Oh. Okay.
What do you know? It's open.
That's a bag.
It's stuck in there, but
But guess what? It comes in pieces, so you can't write it.
You gotta put it together, Brinley.
my arms are floppy now. I have to lift that thing up.
There it is in all its glory.
A diaper.
Let's put it together in 3, 2, 1.
This is my bag.
Woohoo!
Thank you so much.
You like it?
Yeah, I want to go on a bike ride.
Might want to take it outdoors for that.
Okay.
You want to go on a bike ride, Beckett?
Yeah.
The doggy's going for a bike ride. This is Doggy's first bike ride. Let's see if he likes it or not. You think he's gonna like it, Beckett?
No.
No. Okay. Well, we'll see. Don't crash.
I won't.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix the cake.
3, 2, 1. Mixy, 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 mixy. Is it made from scratch?
Yeah.
Made from scratch. Exactly, right. Uh-huh.
My turn.
Mix, mix, mixy, 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 mixy. Mix, mixy, 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 mixy.
It's a fake tornado.
Oh no, it's another tornado! Who needs professional bakery when you got
Where's the frosting on?
Mama from Phone with the Millers making your cupcake?
Where's the
Oh, no.
frosting on my tongue?
Ready? Watch how it's done. Ooh, isn't that sensational? Ooh. Everybody get jealous. Oh yeah, that's nice frosting. Ooh.
Now put some on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh. Yes, ready? Do it again. Try again. Try again. Ready? Oh yeah.
What about me?
You want some? Why is your tongue pink? There's one.
My turn.
See if you can make it more beautiful than that one. That one's pretty good. I don't know. Mine looks pretty good.
My turn. My turn,
Which
Blake.
one, guys?
Blake, my
Happy birthday to Brinley!
Happy birthday to you.
Pikachu.
Happy birthday to you.
Pikachu.
Happy birthday, dear Brinley.
Pikachu.
Happy birthday to you.
Pikachu.
Are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Are you six? Are you seven? Are you eight? Are you nine? Blow your candles.
Wait, I need to make a wish.
Make a wish.
Hey, I need to make a wish.
Make a wish. What's your wish?
Don't tell us. Is your wish made? No.
My wish was funny.
Yay! Dude, yours went like in one big pile.
I want to see.
Ha! Yes!
All over.
Wow. Do that again.
Do that again.
A confetti angel time.
Confetti angel. Patty's trying to do one with you.
Hello.
Who the heck's idea was this? Who's gonna clean up this mess? Well, her house is already destroyed by a tornado. Might as well get destroyed by confetti.
Yeah.
Oh, Brinley, look at you!
What?
Look at your back.
Oh!
What?
You're back.
You and it's all in your
Hey, Mom,
hair.
look at my snow angel. Mom, that's nice.
Oh yeah, it's like a confetti angel. Look.
It's literally shaped like a person.
It is.
I like.
You see it? There you go. There's your trampoline park. There's your birthday trampoline park.
What the?
Aren't you so happy? You got to go to one?
This is not a trampoline park.
Well, it's at your own house. It's even better.
No, it's not. It's a small trampoline. A trampoline park is like a whole big building bigger than our house with trampolines all over it.
Okay, well, when you're rich and famous, you can just build one in your own house. How about that?
What did you eat? Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment happy birthday for me. Aboard! Bye!